Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of subject screening log. A subject screening log is an important document used in clinical research, particularly in clinical trials. It serves as a record of the screening process of potential study participants. Here's what it typically includes: subject identification. Each potential participant is assigned a unique identifier or code to maintain confidentiality. Then screening date, the date when the subject was initially screened for eligibility. Inclusion and exclusion criteria, a list of criteria that subjects must meet or must not meet, that is inclusion and exclusion respectively, to participate in the study. Then demographic information, basic information about the subject as a age, gender and medical history. Then screening results, the outcomes of various screening procedures and assignments or assessments, including medical history, physical examinations, laboratory tests, and other relevant evaluations. Reason for ineligibility. If a subject does not meet the inclusion criteria or meets exclusion criteria, the reasons for their ineligibility are documented. Then consent status, whether the subject provided informed consent to participate in the screening process. Then follow-up plan, if applicable, any recommendations or plans for follow-up assessments or rescreening. Then signature and date, the signature of the healthcare professional conducting the screening and the date of screening. The subject screening log helps researchers tracks the recruitment process, ensure that eligible subjects are enrolled, and maintain transparency and accountability in clinical trials. It also provides an audit trail for regulatory authorities and sponsors to verify the screening processes, integrity, and compliance with the study protocol. An enrollment log, also known as subject enrollment log or participant enrollment log, which is a document used in clinical research and clinical trials to track the enrollment of participants. Thank you.